Artificial intelligence has actually made making money with CPA marketing a lot more easier, and in this video right here I'm going to show you an easy strategy you can use to just simply do that. Because in this particular strategy we're going to be utilizing two AI tools called ChatGPT right here in conjunction with an amazing AI tool called Leonardo AI to go on to making some cool stuff right here you can use to promote your CPA marketing offers on Pinterest right here. So all you need to do is to actually watch this video to the end so as not to miss out on any important step or trick which you're going to just simply utilize to use this simple and amazing strategy. Don't also skip out on the video right now. And guys, if you're new to my channel, OJ Marketing, I create videos about CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and how to make money online. If you like such content, scroll through my channel, you'll be able to see a lot of cool videos that can actually help you out. Make sure you're also subscribed to the channel and your notification bell is turned on all to get alerted whenever I release some videos that could help boost your income online. So jumping right back into the video of today, guys. First of all, you want to head onto a CPA marketing platform like CPAGRIP right here to get an account or create an account. You can click on register, you'll be brought to this page, and basically all you need to do is to just simply create an account by registering or filling out your basic details right here for your first name, your last name, and provide all details on the fields with these red asterisk signs, as they are actually the most important fields you must go on to filling out before then agreeing to the terms of service and actually go on to clicking on register to get your account created, of which you can then go on to log into your account after that has actually been done. Once you do log into your account, you want to come onto a page such as this by going onto this section which says offer tools, and you want to select my offers. You want to filtering your offer to top tier countries like the United States and select kind of like a cool sweepstake offer. These are like actually cool sweepstake offer that gives out about $10,000 for free to lucky winners right now. And this is an Apple iOS offer, an email and zip submit offer which has a payout of $2.22, and here's your unique affiliate link to promoting this offer. All you need to do right now is to copy the link right here, and you want to then head onto this platform called ChatGPT and just simply ask ChatGPT to describe or give ChatGPT a description of an image you want to create right now. As you can see, I asked ChatGPT to give me a perfect and detailed description of a Pinterest pin that can easily promote a $10,000 giveaway. And that's actually related to this particular CPA marketing offer which we're going to be promoting. And ChatGPT is going to come up with a cool description right here. As you can see right here, ChatGPT came up with a description, but this is not what I'm actually looking for. So I'm just going to ask ChatGPT to give me a description of the image. And you can see ChatGPT came up with a cool description right here. And you can see the description says eye-catchy visuals and a lot of other stuff right here with a caption right here called this. And right now, guys, all you need to do, maybe I'm just going to copy this description right here. And if I do copy this right now, all you need to do right now is to head on to this particular AI tool called Leonardo AI, because with this tool you can create videos for or images for absolutely free. Just simply launch the app, sign up for free using your email address, and you'll be brought to a home page that will look similar to this. As you can see, all these images have been created with the help of this AI tool. You can keep on scrolling through, you'll be able to see a lot of cool images. To create one yourself, come right here, click on AI image generation, and you want to just simply come onto this section and paste in that particular description. So what I'm going to do is to paste in the description right here. I'm going to click on 4 right now to give me 4 variety of images right there which this particular AI is going to generate. And once I do click on generate right now, it has actually begun the generation process, and it's actually going to come up with a Pinterest pin right now, or a particular type of image I can actually utilize right here. You can see right here, this is actually a very cool image right here, but the words right here or the text are not actually quite cool right here for me. So you want to just simply go on to editing this right here. Maybe I'm just going to give it something that I can create myself. So guys, you can see right here, I actually asked ChatGPT to generate a catchy giveaway image gifting out $10,000. ChatGPT generated some cool, or Leonardo generated some cool images right here. You can see all these images were generated with the help of Leonardo AI. All you need to do right now is to just simply go on to editing the description right here to generate a very cool description of that, or give it a very cool description to generate an amazing image right there. Maybe I can just simply put in something like man winning a lottery. And right here, guys, you're gonna see with this AI tool is gonna come up with some cool images right now that will be generated right here. So you can see how cool this actually is right now. So all you need to do is to just simply download the image right here. When the image has been downloaded, you can actually go onto platforms like resizeimage.net, and if you do go onto this platform right here, or you could just simply go onto Google and search for image resizer, and you'll be able to see this particular one, which is the imageresizer.com. You want to just simply select that image which you downloaded from your device, and once you do select that image right here, as you can see, this is the image right here. I'm just going to go on to resizing that image to actually fit into Pinterest category right now. So what I'm going to do is to put in something like 500, which is the width by 500, and if I put in something like this right here, this can easily be resized, and I'm just going to click on resize image. The image is actually going to be resized right now, and once that has been resized, I can then just simply click on download image, download the image, head on to this platform called Pinterest right here. As you can see, Pinterest is actually loading up, and you want to just simply come right here, click on create pin, and upload that particular image on this section. So all you have to do is to just simply click on upload the newly resized image right here. As you can see, this is how the image is actually going to look like. Then you want to just simply go on to add in a very cool title right now. As you can see right here, ChatGPT is going to give you all that. You can see this is a very cool title right here. All you need to do is to copy the title, head back to that particular Pinterest platform, paste that in right here. ChatGPT will also generate a description for you right now, and you just want to just simply copy the description right now, and this is actually a very cool one right here. If you do copy this, head back to Pinterest right now, paste that in right here. You want to add in the link to that particular CPA marketing offer, or you could create a simple landing page for that. You could check out my channel. I created some cool videos for you on how you could create a simple landing page right there. Paste in the CPA marketing offer link, your landing page link right there. You could then just simply create a board for this, add some cool tags, and publish this. In about 5 minutes, guys, you can actually get this done and go on to making some cool cash online. You can just simply go on to promoting as many products as you can, or as many CPA marketing as you can, many offers on this platform, and make some cool cash. If the video was helpful, please smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell on all. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.